Welcome, today I'm with Huawei Nova 9 and I'll show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So first of all, just go to settings, here scroll down and find the sounds and vibration. Tap on that and right there you will see the ringer messages and notification. Just to disable the ringtone volume, swap with your finger on the left side by this way. Also you can change this by this way by just tapping on this sounds or vibration icons. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.